Here's how to change the ink in a Smith and Wesson tactical pen. So if you've got one that looks like this, the pen is actually a very small part of the tactical tool, which is a shame for me because I've never actually had to defend myself with it or break glass with it. But you'll see the ink cartridge is very short and it's got this plastic cap on it. So you just pop the plastic cap off. Then you either go to the link in the description or you go to your local store and you'll find that Cross makes one that's pretty much an exact refill and it's a good quality. This one is red, so if you go to the store and just buy one off the rack, make sure you get the color you want. I kind of like having red in my tactical pen, so that's fine. And it's a 8518-5 is red, and then I believe 4 or 3 is black or blue. So you just find the color you want. Check the link for the description, and here's how it goes. And you get 2, so I'll be ready next time my tactical pen will not write. So just pop the top and slide one out. Then we install the top on it. Jam it in there so it sticks. The spring goes on like that. Sorry, I'm losing my voice this week. And then you can tell it's a good fit. When you're in stabbing mode, it's not sticking out. And when you're in writing mode, there's your red pen. Let's give it a little test here. So Cross makes a really nice pen. I like the way it writes. It's very smooth. I went with the medium tip, so it's a fatter line, but I think it works great. Now, if you don't already have a tactical pen, the Ultimo Dragon good tactical pens like this CRKT pen run with the Fisher Space Pen. This thing will write underwater, upside down. It'll write in space. It's made in USA. So if you haven't got a tactical pen yet, I really like getting one with a space pen. That's pressurized. It's got special ink. And you really can't beat a space pen for writing experience. But for a whatever $15 or $20 tactical pen, to have a real quality writing experience, it's well worth it to buy good inserts rather than just clipping down a cheap ballpoint pen and jamming it in there. So thanks for watching. Hope that helps. Stay tactical.